If you want a wheelchair-adapted vehicle that makes your life easier from the moment you open the rear door, this 2016 Citroen Berlingo M-Space XTR BlueHDi 100 is exactly the kind of vehicle you stop and pay attention to. With just 65,083 miles and full service history, it gives you the confidence you need, reliable engine, simple access, and a conversion that does its job properly every single day. You're getting the strong 1.6 BlueHDi diesel engine with 99 brake horsepower and up to 65.7 miles per gallon, keeping your running costs low while delivering dependable performance for school runs, appointments, and longer journeys. Finished in blue, it presents well and gives you that elevated driving position people love in a Berlingo. Inside, everything is designed to make your daily routine smoother. The lowered floor, light manual ramp, and electric winch make loading straightforward, and the 4-point wheelchair restraint system keeps your passengers safe and secure. Driver plus 2 passengers plus wheelchair is the ideal layout for families, carers, or community transport. The XTR trim gives you the features that make life easier: a 7-inch touchscreen, infotainment system, rear 12-volt socket, and safety tech, including ABS, with electronic brake force distribution. Light steering, predictable handling, and smooth gearing make it effortless to drive, and it's ULEZ compliant for city travel without extra cost. Right now, this accessible Berlingo is available for £7,995. Finance options are available. Pre-approved finance checks on our website. All our vehicles come with a service, a 12-month MOT, 6 months nationwide warranty, extended warranties available, and free 12 months breakdown cover as part of our AA Dealer Promise Agreement, ensuring ongoing roadworthiness and safety. Please don't hesitate to contact us on 014-2487-0651 or email us for more information.